Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking what stuff is considered illegal in terms of employment. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, Phuket Model Solution to Visitors' Crimes Sought. Quoting directly, the Phuket model should include data to inform visitors about what kinds of behavior and activity are considered illegal in Thailand. So yeah, they're taking this initiative, they're calling it the so-called Phuket model, which I find a little strange, especially considering, in my mind, they did a lot of really crazy things regarding COVID during the so-called Phuket sandbox era. Leaving that aside, the issue of illegal work in Thailand, restricted occupations. I've put up videos before. I'll go ahead and do a link in the description where I'll put up the list of restricted occupations from the government. It's from a government website. It's actually in English, put out by the government. And they make it very clear what's restricted. And there's a lot of stuff on there. I've made videos about it before. Foreign legal professionals. Yeah, that's illegal in Thailand. There's various other things. Agents, for example, foreign agents. So anytime you hear somebody say, well, I'm a visa agent, or no, you're not. If you are, you're a criminal because it specifically says agency is not allowed under the law. And then there are other things that really cause the Thai blood to boil with regard to illegal occupations, like folks that come over here and engage in trades, especially barbers, again, working certain aspects of the service economy, working wait staff, foreigners working wait staff, even working as bartenders. All of that stuff is generally speaking considered restricted. I know that I've dealt with the hate when I make these videos, and you know what? It's just something I've kind of resigned myself to, that I'm just going to have to take when I bring this topic up. But I worry about it because I've watched my own country of birth see its internal labor pool just be eviscerated over time because nobody was enforcing relevant law. And there's nothing wrong with being protectionist over your own country's labor pool and trying to maintain a certain standard of living for your own citizenry. There's nothing wrong with that. And I think the Thais are on the right track when it comes to dealing with foreigners coming to Thailand and not only behaving badly in a criminal context, but behaving badly by engaging in work that they're not legally able to engage in, that it's illegal to engage in. And real sorry to folks that have a real problem with these restrictions, but it is what it is. And at the end of the day, Thailand has to promulgate and enforce laws that are in her own interests.